Hi guys, welcome to the video. Today I'm going to show you how to change your third brake light in a Honda Civic EK right here. So here's what you're going to need. This is a 12 volt 5 watts bulb, and you got a 10mm and you got a screwdriver. First, what we're going to do is we're going to remove this trim, and then there's going to be bolts underneath, and after that we would have to unscrew these two bolts here. What you're gonna need is a 10mm, so that's 1 bolt, 2 bolts, 3 and 4. Anyway, now we've got 2 screws. To access the bulbs inside that third brake light, we have to take the spoiler out, and we gotta put our hands behind the third brake light and it will pop out, and that's when you get access to the bulbs. Once it's out, put both hands behind the brake light and it should pop out like so, which leaves you to 4 bulbs to change. And that's it. That's how you change it. All we gotta do is pull it out, and there we go, off to the new one. Before you get everything back on, do a quick test.